When you first open Blender, you'll see the default cube in the center of the scene. We'll use this cube to understand how animation works. Animation in Blender is created using keyframes. A keyframe tells Blender to remember the position, rotation, or scale of an object at a specific frame. Blender then automatically creates the movement between those keyframes. Let's animate the default cube. Make sure the cube is selected. First, keep the timeline at frame 1. I want the cube to have its normal size, so I'll press I and choose Scale. Next, move to frame 120. I'll press S, then Y, and drag the mouse to scale the cube only on the Y axis I want the cube to have in the size, so I'll press I. After that, I'll press S, then Z, and scale it on the Z axis as well. You can make it taller, shorter, wider, or thinner, whatever you like. Once the scaling looks good, press I again and choose Scale. Now, let's play the animation. Notice how Blender smoothly changes the cube size from the first keyframe to the second. This is called interpolation. Blender automatically creates all the in-between frames, so you don't have to animate every single frame yourself. This is the basic idea behind animation in Blender. Almost every animation, from simple objects to complex characters, works using keyframes. Now let's learn how to animate colors. We'll start with a new object. Delete the cube by pressing X and confirming the delete. Now press Shift plus A, go to Mesh, and choose Monkey. This is Blender's famous Suzanne monkey head. With the monkey selected, go to the Material Properties tab. Click New to create a material. For this example, I'll choose a blue color. At frame 1, the monkey is blue. Click the small circular dot next to the base color. This inserts a keyframe for the current blue color. Now, move to frame 120. Change the base color from blue to red. After changing it, click the small circular dot next to the base color again to insert another keyframe. Now, press play. This time you'll see the color smoothly changing from blue to red throughout the animation. That's how easy it is to animate colors in Blender. But we're not finished yet. Let's also animate the material's roughness. Roughness controls how shiny or matte a material looks. Go back to frame 1. Keep the roughness at its default value, then click the small dot next to roughness to insert a keyframe. Now move to frame 120. Change the roughness value to 0. This makes the material much shinier. Click the small dot next to roughness again to insert another keyframe. Now, play the animation. You'll notice two things happening at the same time. The monkey's color gradually changes from blue to red, and the surface becomes shinier as the roughness decreases. So today we learned two important Blender basics. First, we learned object animation using keyframes by moving and scaling a cube. Second, we learned material animation by changing the monkey's base color and roughness over time. Thank you for watching.